Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Right. Yes. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today, guys. So, guys, before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, as a matter of fact, yesterday, what are the concepts which we have discussed? We have yes, actually we have discussed important key points in constructor. Like we told you, like constructor is used to initialize the object, and we are supposed to initialize the object with the available constructors present in a class. And when default constructor will be provided, like compiler will be providing us with a default constructor. When compiler will be providing, like if you are not writing any constructor, that is either parameterizer constructor or non-parameterizer constructor, then compiler will automatically provides our program with a default constructor. We already seen that. And I told you guys, default constructor or non-parameterized constructor, both are same. Actually, default constructor means it will be given by the compiler. Non-parameterizer constructor means given by the programmer. After that, we had seen access modifiers and what is the use of a private constructor, and after that constructor overloading is possible, overriding is not possible. And regarding this particular point, this one, guys, this one, what is actually overloading, overriding, I told you we'll be trying to cover these particular concepts whenever we are dealing with polymorphism, that is in our oops concepts, not right now. So but as of now, I requested you yesterday, kindly please do remember this particular point. Okay, after that we have started discussing about, just a second, right, after this we have started discussing about operators. Now I told you, yes, mainly there are four types of operators are there, like increment, arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. So yesterday we have first started discussing about increment and decrement operator. So when you are speaking about this increment and decrement operator, the symbol, guys, symbol, like if we want to perform increment operator, we need to use this symbol, increment. If we want to perform decrement operation, then we need to use the symbol like minus. Increment means plus. And as I told you there are actually two types of increment and decrement operators are there, like pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means before accessing the variable value we are incrementing. What do you mean by post increment? Post increment means after accessing the variable value we are trying to increment the data. For example, like example, yesterday we have already seen the program also. Did you remember, guys, yesterday's program? Yes. For example, just a small guys. Okay, let's int a equal to 10 like this, and void method one. Okay, now inside this method one, system.out.println, and a plus. Come on, what is my output here? If I'm executing my program, okay, main method, just a second, main method. Now inside my main method, let me try to create an object, new class a dot method one. Now tell me what is my output. Exactly, guys. Here I'm only asking about here. Yamini, Manoj, wrong answer. Amol, wrong answer. Ajay, wrong answer. Come on, buddy. Darshan, no, wrong answer. Guys, here we are accessing A. Just tell me what is my output. That's it. Just tell me my output. I'm not asking anything else. In the console, what will be printed? In the console, A value will be printed as 10. Okay. For example, if I'm trying to print one more time, now here my output will be 10. And what about here? My output will be 11. Right click, run as Java application. And are you understanding me, guys? Yes. For example, system.out.println plus plus a. Now, here what is my output? Exactly. Even before accessing A, I am incrementing it. So already A value is 11. So when I'm trying to increment, it will be 12 like this. So please check this, right click, run as Java application. My output will be 12. For example, system.out.println A minus minus. Tell me, just tell me what is my output? What is my output? Output. Exactly. My output will be 12. Right click, run as Java application. My output will be 12. And if I'm trying to print system.out.println A, now what is my output here? 11. Exactly. Right click, run as Java application. My output will be 11. Now, finally, one last thing, system.out.println minus minus A. Please. What is my output right now? Right click, run as Java application. My output will be 10. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Okay. This is known as post increment. Okay. This is known as pre-increment. This is known as post decrement. And this is known as pre-decrement, like this. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Is it clear, guys? Now, actually, yesterday I gave you only one task. According to time constraints, I'm unable to give you more tasks. So I want to give you some more tasks today. Is it okay, guys? Can you handle that? Okay, that is good. Do me a favor, like, can you please have this program for me? Yeah, I know you already understand the concept, but please, can you please have this program along with the comments also, please? Please do that for me. And don't forget to inform me, okay? Please inform me, guys. And guys, whenever you're writing, kindly please don't copy paste. Okay, I know you will not be copy pasting, but just I'm saying, please don't copy paste. Understand the code. You need to understand the code. Right. I hope it's completed, guys, for everyone. I'm removing 3, 2, 1, gone. Right. Now, wait. Okay. Please. Completed, Nikhil? Try to use shortcut, Nikhil. Try to use shortcuts. Okay, very good, very good. All right, guys. I'm removing this. Removing. Done. Done. Now, give me the output of, sorry, give me the output of this program. First, write the program. Write the program. Please write the program. No, Silesh, wrong. I told you, write the program. First, write the program. Guys, don't give me fast output, okay? Please give me correct output. I like your enthusiasm, but please give me correct or take time. What will happen? Perfect. Suresh, come on. No, Pariniti wrong. Chanakya, good. Chanakya, Anand, Madhu, Raghava. Take time. Take time. It's okay to take time. Sandeep, Ajay. I'm calling out correct answers, names. Mahesh Babu, Chetan. I'm calling out the people who gave me the correct answers, like Pratyusha, Bhuvaneshwar. Okay, just a second. Okay, and Dhawal, Pooja, Anand, Chandu. Okay, a lot of people. So guys, okay, a lot of people gave me the answers. Please don't mind if I'm unable to read your name. So a lot of outputs are there. So I may not be able to read all the outputs, like all the names. So, but guys, yes, the output is, before going to the output, just observe what is K value. K is equal to, I mean, just let us try to keep it in comment. K is equal to plus I. Plus I means, tell me plus I means what? 5. Very good. Into 7 plus 2 minus, now tell me. Tell me, 22 or 21? Guys, minus J. What is J value? Just J. J value is 21. So here minus 21. Okay. After this statement, J value will be 20. But actually you are calculating with 21 only. So right now, 5 into 7, that would be 35 plus 2 minus 21. And what is the final output? Final output is 16. Right click, run as Java application. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Am I clear with this? Yes. Right. So ready for one more task? Ready for one more task? That is good. Okay, one more task. Write the program. First, write the program. Write the program first. Take time. It's okay to take time. No issues. What will happen? Pooja, correct answer. Okay, guys, you give the answers. Let me check, please. Guys, most of the people are getting confused. Please don't get confused. Please don't get confused. Think before giving the answer. Please think. Come on, guys. A lot of people are getting confused. Please don't get confused, guys. Please, please. Check it correctly. Check it correctly. Can do this. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm getting a lot of answers, but unfortunately, most of the answers are wrong. Only some people are giving me the correct answers. Okay. So just let me copy this, paste it here like this. And let me show you the output first. Right click, run as Java application. 2341. See, most of the people give me wrong answers. Am I right or wrong? Let me try to explain, guys. Here, guys, the concept is very simple. Okay, here we are having four variables: int a equal to 1, int b equal to 2, int c, and int d. Okay, now what is c value, guys? Please tell me. Just tell me what is c value. Just tell me what is c value. We are incrementing it. Yes. So b value is 2. We are incrementing b value. That is c value will be 3. Now, guys, after completing this statement, can you please tell me what is b value? What is b? Guys, b value got incremented. So not 2. B value is 3. Are you understanding me, guys? You are incrementing b value, then you are assigning that incremented value to c. So b value is 3 and c value is also 3. Now d, tell me what is d? Just tell me d value. Just tell me d value. D value is a. A. What is a? A is equal to 1. After that, after this assigning a, now what is happening here? A value will be incremented to 2. Plus, guys, plus. Right. So as of now, a value 2, b value 3, c value 3, and d value 1. Coming to line number 13. Tell me, what is c value? Got updated, got incremented. Already c value is 3. Now it got updated to 4. Now tell me, a value is 2. B value is, what is b value? B value is 3. And c value, what is c value is 4. 4. And finally, d value is 1. Guys, most of the time people will be doing mistake here. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Kindly please respond in the chat for me, please. Please respond in the chat. Yes. Yes. Post increment, Sonal. This is post increment. All right, guys. All right. Very good, guys. Very good. Right. Now. So, guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Now, are you ready for one more task? Are you ready for one more task? But guys, please think and answer. Why? Because the task which I'm going to show you right now, I will not explain. If I'm going on explaining like this, our time will be wasted. No. Can you handle that? Can you handle that? Are you sure? Are you sure? Can you handle the task? Wow. Okay. Okay then. Fine. I hope you're ready for this. Last chance. Are you ready? Last chance. Okay, fine then. Go ahead. Write the program and give me the output. Now, before giving this output, guys, I just want to ask you some questions. Mathematical questions. Mathematical questions. Plus and plus reveals plus. What? Plus. Okay. Minus and minus reveals minus. Okay. Now, plus and minus reveals like generates. Sorry, here plus, right? Sorry, my mistake. Plus. Here minus. Now minus and plus reveals minus. I believe everyone knows these mathematical things. Okay. Go ahead. Give me the output. Take time. Take time. It's okay to take time. This is not increment. This is not increment. This is not increment, guys. Okay. Don't ask me. Give me the output. Give me the output. Ahmad, nice. Only one person gave me the output. Don't, guys, take time. Take time. Milind, Milind, no. Please check the output correctly. If you are giving one wrong, if you are doing one wrong mistake also, the entire output will be affected. When I check your output, check your output when I please. Yeah, that is single means plus only. That's it. Deepraj, that is good. That is good. Just a second. Venkat Ramana, that is good. Okay, Milan, now you are correct. Now you are correct. What happened previously here? Why you did a mistake? Right. Okay, okay, I got it. I got it. Sudhakar, that is good. That is good. No, Suresh, you did a small mistake. Very, very small mistake. Please check. Very small mistake, Suresh. No, Sandeep, no, yeah. Janardhan, that is good. Su's wrong answer. Yeah, guys, see, this is not increment operator. This is plus and plus. I told you what plus and plus will give. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. All right, guys. All right, all right. I am revealing the output. I am revealing the output. Shall I reveal the output? Shall I reveal the output? Right. One. Okay, 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 fine. Okay, fine. One more minute. Guys, one more minute. One more minute. Like just 1 minute. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Wait, wait, Abhijit. Please wait. Wait, Abhijit. No, I told you to give your name. APTOL 301816. No, wrong answer. All right. All right, guys. All right, all right. I am revealing the output. Subham, wait here. Wait, 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 wait. All right. I am revealing the output, guys. The output is right click, run as Java application 263. The output is 263. Dubey, that is very good. Literally very good, Dubey. All right. So, guys, how we got this output 263? Dubey gave me the entire data. Just let me try to check like this. I'm trying to give that data here for you. Like this. This is the data. Means C value will be, whenever you are calculating C value, you are supposed to calculate like this. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll try to keep it here like this. Okay, D value. This is D value. And this is E value. And this is F. Just a minute. Like this. This is F value. And finally, whenever you are calculating, it will be like this. Exactly. Okay. So please kindly have these comments also. Please have these comments also. After this statement, C value is 56. A value is 35 and B value is 22. Okay, guys. Is it clear for everyone? Please note down. Please note down this. Like this. Yeah, small mistakes. It's okay. No problem. Somnath, that is the only reason I gave you the comments. Kindly please check them, Somnath. All right, guys. Done? Guys, is it completed? I'm removing this. I'm removing. Okay. I'll wait for 1 minute. That's it. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. I'm removing this. Okay. Now, right. So, guys, yes, whenever we are speaking about these operators, just a second. Yeah, first one is increment or decrement operator. Just now we have already completed that. And second one is arithmetic operators, guys. So when we are speaking about these arithmetic operators, as a matter of fact, we have already covered that arithmetic operators in our demo classes only. Not right now. Very first demo classes only we have covered that. Like what are arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Did you remember that? Yes. Exactly. Now I want to give you a small task on this. Can I? Can I give you a small task? No. All right, guys. All right. Now please observe correctly. Understand the question correctly. I want you to write two methods int A, comma, int B. One is non-parameterized method. Guys, understand the question correctly. Okay. One is non-parameterized method and second one is parameterized method. And if I'm taking class A, I want you to write class A default constructor and class A parameterized constructor like this. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is method one should perform addition. Method one should perform addition. And method two should perform subtraction. Guys, wait until the question is completed. Okay. Method two should perform subtraction. And default constructor should perform multiplication. And parameterizer constructor should perform division. Division means whenever you are executing method 1, it should perform addition, and you are supposed to print the value, print addition value. Method 2, print subtraction value. I mean, default constructor print multiplication value, and the parameterized constructor also print division. Sir, which numbers I need to take in method 1? Your wish, your wish. I just want to see addition. Now, guys, here the question comes. Please understand this question correctly. Understand this question correctly. Okay. Question is not yet completed. Now. Sorry. Right. Now, the question is, you need to call method 1 by initializing default constructor. Are you understanding my question? Are you understanding the question, guys? You need to call method 1 with the, I mean, generally, if we want to call method 1, we need an object, right? And that object should be initialized by the default constructor. Once again, I am saying you, that object should be initialized by the default constructor. Now, from this default constructor, from this default constructor, inside that default constructor, I want you to call both parameterized constructor and method 2. Are you understanding me? I want you to call both parameterized constructor and method 2. Means method 2. If you want to call method 2, we need an object, and that object should be initialized by this parameterized constructor, like this. So if I'm executing my program, in the console, first I should be getting my output, that is division output. My first output should be division. My second output should be subtraction. My third output should be multiplication. And my fourth output should be addition. Go ahead. Write the code. Please write the code. You can do this. Write the code, Naveen. Write the code. Yeah, fine. It's okay, Naveen. No problem. No, I explained, Monica. That is the reason I explained. No problem. Wait for it. Take time, no problem. Take time, no issues, not at all a trouble. Afternoon, no one gave me the output. Right. Guys, shall I write the code or else shall I wait? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll wait. No problem. Carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on. Dubey, your wish. Your wish. You can use instance variables or else local variable. I did not mention anything like that. Okay. Your wish. I just want you to perform addition. That's it. Suma. No, Suma, if you are writing like that, you will be getting an error. You will be getting an error, Amma. No, that is not correct. But good. Good. Check where you will be getting an error. Please check. One more minute. Obviously, Suma. Obviously. You know how to call a method, right? Wait, Akash. Wait. Akash, please wait. Come on, guys. Harika. Harika, I told you to call this parameterized constructor from the default constructor. Check like that. Guys, you need to call parameterized constructor from the default constructor. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. All right, guys. Time's up. It's a simple task, guys. Simple task. You just need to understand the question correctly. Just need to understand the question correctly. Okay. Time's up, time's up, time's up. Unfortunately, I expected more people will be giving me the answer, but it's okay. It's okay. No issues. All right. Let me show you the program. Now, first void method one, and I'm taking method two. And here, let me try to take int a comma, int b, default constructor, parameterizer constructor, int b. So let me go to my main method. Let me go to my main method. Now, just first, let me try to write the code. In method one, it should perform addition, right? Method one should perform addition. Okay. So let me try to take system.out.println a read and addition plus 10 plus 90. Do you think that am I supposed to take variables? I can directly take values also. What do you say, guys? Can I write like that? Guys, please check. Tell me, can I write like this? I just told you to print addition. That's it. Not more than that. So fine, I can take like that. Not at all a trouble. Okay, okay. Now, what about, just a second. Method two should perform subtraction. Okay. So system.out.println substractr subtraction plus, okay, I'm giving a minus b. Why? Because I'm already having these variables. Okay. Now constructor, what constructor should be doing? I mean, default constructor should perform multiplication. Okay. sy system.out.println multiplication multiplication, and simply I'll be going with plus and 2 into 5 or else 5 into 2, whatever, 2 into 5. That's it. I just want you to use the symbol for multiplication. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Now, method, I mean, constructor, that is parameterized constructor, you should be performing division. System.out.println division, division, plus and a by b. That's it. A by b. Okay, I have written the code which is required. Now, here comes the tricky part. What I told you, first, you need to call method 1 by initializing the object with class A default constructor. So new class A dot method 1. I'm calling like this. And what I told you, from this default constructor, I requested you to call parameterizer constructor and method 2. Okay. From default constructor, new class A, and let me go with like 25 comma 5, I guess. Okay. And I'm trying to call my method 2 also. Here I'm just going with 100 1 like this. Now execute my program, right click, run as Java application. First, I got my output as division. I mean, that is what I expected, right? First division, after that subtraction, after that third output is multiplication, finally fourth output is addition. Did you got this? Guys, did you got this? Right. Guys, you just need to understand the concept and implement it correctly here. You need to implement it. Okay. Okay. Guys, some people got the same output, but you have written the program in another manner. What I told you in the question, I had clearly mentioned, you need to call parameterized constructor and method 2 both from this default constructor. Am I right or wrong? So you need to go according to the program. I mean, according to the question. Please, people who did not write the program, please go ahead. Yes. That is the reason I clearly mentioned that. But it's okay, guys. You are able to write the program, right? That's fine. Go ahead. And please inform if completed. I'll move to the next topic. That is the only reason I gave you the task, Naveen. You just need to practice. That's it, guys. Coding is easy. Okay. Coding is easy. The only thing is you just need to practice. It's not easy. Coding is fun, to be precise. Please inform if completed. If it's completed, I'll move to the next topic. Anand, here in main method, Anand, we are trying to create an object and we are calling method 1. But as we are initializing that object with a default constructor, first default constructor will be invoked. Inside the default constructor, I'm trying to create an object with parameterizer constructor and I'm calling method 2. So first parameterizer constructor will be invoked. After that, method 2. After that, default constructor. After that, method 1. Like that. All right, guys. Guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. I'm removing this. I'm removing. 3, 2, 1, gone. Okay. Now. So guys, in our Java, we are having a concept known as control statements. That concept is control statements. Just let me try to write like this. Just a second. Control statements. Okay. Now, in these control statements, there are 3 types of control statements are there. 3 types of control statements are there. What are those? Selection statements, iteration statements, and jump statements. There are 3 types of control statements in Java. Selection statements, iteration, and jump statements. In selection statements, we will be having concepts like if else, if, and switch. In selection statements, we will be having these 4 statements, selection statements. In iteration, we will be having while, do while, for, and for each. These are the 4 iteration statements. Okay. Now, when you're coming to jump statements, there are only 3 jump statements like break, continue, and return. Break, continue, and return. So guys, what I want to say here is, if we completed these control statements, 30% of the syllabus will be completed. But as of now, I am not dealing with this control statements as of now. I just want to give you a small idea about one of the control statement, that is if else statements. Right now, basically, what is the use of these control statements? Guys, control statements gives the control of your program. For example, let me just try to have a method, void method 1 like this, and system.out.println 10. Sorry. Yeah, 10. After that, system.out.println 20, and after that, system.out.println 30 like this. And in the main method, simply I'll be creating an object, please. Okay, let me try to create an object. Okay, hang on. Right, and object new class a dot method 1. I'm calling the method. So right now, if I'm executing my program, I'm going to get my output as 10, 20, and 30. You already know this. Now my requirement is, I want to print this 20 10 times. I want to print this 20 10 times. If I want to print this 20 10 times, if I'm writing like this, literally that does not make any sense. Am I right or wrong, guys? Not at all. I should not be writing like this. So actually what I want to do here is, I just want this line number 9 to be executed again and again and again for 10 times. Means I want to control my flow. Are you understanding me, guys? I want to control the flow of execution. Guys, come on, respond in the chat. Be attentive, please. Exactly. If that is my requirement, then I should be going to Control statements. I should be using control statements. So did you got an idea like what is the use of control statements? Just a basic idea. What is the use of control statements? Control statements are used to control the flow of your program. Okay, now guys, now what I want to do is, up to now I did not explain anything about control flow statements, like control statements. Okay, I'm going to write a simple program right now. Simple program right now. Tell me what is the output for that. Can you do that for me? Yes. Okay. Int a like this. Now here if a is less than 10, system.out.println, if block executd executed, else system.out.println, else block executd executed. Now I'm giving a value as 50. Tell me what is my output. Tell me what is my output. Exactly. Else block will be getting executed, right? How do you know, guys? How do you know? Did we cover control statements? No, we did not cover control statements, right? Now, guys, what is happening here? Normal English. If this condition is true, normal English, if this condition is true, this block will be executed, or else block will be getting executed. Now, is this condition true or false? Come on, condition true or false? Condition is false, so else block is getting executed. Now, guys, can I say that you are trying to get a relation between a and 10 with the help of this operator? Exactly. Now these are known as relational operators. Now guys, how many types of relational operators are there? There are 6 types of relational operators are there. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. For example, okay guys, if I'm writing like this, if a is equal to 10, guys, if you want to check equal to, you should not be writing a single equal to. If you're writing a single equal to, that is assignment operator. No, you should be writing double equal to. Are you understanding me, guys? Now tell me which block will be getting executed. If block or else block? Okay, just let me try to. Okay, right now you are saying that else block will be getting executed. If I'm giving the value as 10, now if block will be getting executed. Exactly like this. For example, if I'm writing not equal to 10, if a is not equal to 10, now tell me which block will be getting executed. Is a not equal to 10? No, it is equal to 10. So here this condition is false. So right now else block will be getting executed. If I'm writing a is less than 10, now is a less than 10? Is a less than 10? No, it is not less than 10. So what is our expected output? Else block. If you are giving less than or equal to, now if block like this. Guys, are you understanding me? Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Now do me a favor, tell me one thing, guys. What is the ideal age of a person to give the vote? What is the ideal age? 21. 18. 18. I mean 18 or above 18, right? Can you please write a method to check whether the person is eligible to vote or not? Please write this program void vote eligibility vote eligibility, and here I'm going with int age. Now what I want you to do is first write this method. You write this method. After that, please give me the code to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Go ahead, please go ahead. Madhu, give me proper syntax. Proper syntax, Madhu. Guys, give me proper method. Give me proper method. I'm requesting you not to use mobiles here. I told you to connect through laptop, right? If you're connecting through mobiles, you will not be able to give the output correctly. I know you are listening, but I want to see your outputs, please. If you are using laptop, simply you can copy the code and paste it in the chat and send. That's it. You will be getting like this. Yes. Yes, Harshni. Yes, that is correct. Datta. Yeah, that is correct. Simple, guys. Very, very simple. Okay. So what is happening here? Just let me try to have if condition. I'm trying to check the relation between age greater than or equal to 18. System.out.println eligible to eligible to vote, like this. Else system.out.println not eligible to vote, eligible to vote, VOT, like this, like this. Now please check this. Okay, just let me do one thing. I'll be trying to cut. Let me have a reference here. AOBJ belongs to class A, and AOBJ dot method 1, and I'm trying to call AOBJ dot vote eligibility, and I'm trying to pass the value as 50 and right click run as Java application eligible to vote. If you are giving 18 also, right click run as Java application eligible to vote. If you are giving less than 18, right click run as Java application not eligible to vote. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Clear? That is good. That is good. That is good. All right. All right. Now, guys, tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Can you please tell me what is the eligible age criteria for writing a government exam? Void exam eligibility. And here I'm going with int age. Shrikant, please be serious. I'm saying what is the eligibility age, like criteria eligibility for writing government exams like groups, civils, like that. 21. Okay. Okay, let us go with 21 year or else 23. Just let us think like 23. To 23 to 23 to 35, I guess. 35. Okay. If the person age is above 35, then he is not eligible to vote. Am I right or wrong? I mean, not eligible to exam. Now, for example, if I'm giving the condition, if age is greater than or equal to 23, age is greater than or equal to 23, and here system.out.println, I'm writing qualified for exam. Else system.out.println not qualified for exam. If I'm writing like this, now please observe here AOBJ dot exam eligibility, and I'm giving the value as 25 year, age as 25. Okay, now please check this, right click, run as Java application. Yes, qualified exam. That is literally very, very good. If I'm giving age as 35, right click, run as Java application. Yeah, that is fine, qualified for exam. What is the eligible criteria? 23 to 35. If I'm giving age as 50, right click, run as Java application. No, this is not the expected output. Am I right or wrong? This is not the expected output. What we are expecting, not qualified. So in this particular scenario, how many conditions you need to check, guys? How many conditions? Exactly. 2 conditions. We need to check 2 conditions. So if I want to check 2 or more conditions, I will be going with logical AND or logical OR. For example, if I'm writing like this, age should be greater than or equal to 23, and this is logical AND, and age should be less than or equal to 35, like this. Now guys, if you are using this logical AND, what will be happening? Compiler will check both the conditions. If both the conditions are true, then only the final output is true. For example, right now, what is age value? 50. Okay, let us go with the first condition. Tell me guys, first condition is true or false? First one, true or false? True. I mean, age is greater than or equal to 23. Yes, first condition is true. What is second condition? Second condition is age is less than or equal to 35. No, the second condition is false. So one condition is true, condition is false. So the final output is false. Both the conditions should be true. So right now, if the final output is false, what is my expected output? Else block, that is not qualified for exam. Are you understanding me, guys? Both the conditions should be satisfied, then only it will be true, or else false. As simple as this. For example, sir, I'm not concerned about both the conditions. If one condition is true, then fine, let's go. If that is your requirement, then we should be using logical OR. Logical OR means if one condition is true, then the final output is true. Logical OR. So right now, what is my output? Right click, run as Java application. Else block, I mean, if block will be getting executed. For example, I'm going with logical AND. Okay, logical AND, guys. Logical AND. So right click, run as Java application, not qualified for exam. Now, guys, if I'm using logical NOT, like this, what logical NOT will be doing? Logical NOT will alter your result. It will alter your result. Means, guys, if you are using logical AND, what is your result? True, right? This true will be changed to false. So right now, which block will be getting executed? Which block will be getting executed? Else block. Right click, run as Java application. Else block will be, guys, else block. Else block. Why we are getting if block? Why we are getting if block? Can you please tell me? Right. Guys, it reverse, right? Okay. For example, we are using logical AND. So what is our final output? FALSC, false. Why? Because both the conditions are not true. The final output is false and it will be changed into true. Why? Because we are using logical NOT. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Right. Please do me a favor, guys. Please, can you please have this? Please have these methods, these two methods, please. I mean, vote eligibility and exam eligibility. Can you please do that for me? Please go ahead. Please inform if completed. Right. Completed, guys. Right. I hope it's complete for everyone. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Yeah, you can write. No problem, guys. You can write. So, guys, tomorrow we are going to start with one more new concept. Okay. Please don't miss. I'm requesting you. Please don't miss tomorrow's session, guys. Please. Okay. Execute the program in the Google, execute the program in the Eclipse, Pooja. Okay. All right, guys. All right. That's it, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. I hope everyone have written the code. Everyone read the code. Everyone wrote the code. Right. Chandrasekhar, J2W means Java to Enterprise Edition. Okay. Right, guys. Good night, guys. Good night for everyone. See you tomorrow.